The great quest for coexistence drives the life force to its limits, challenges, and opportunities. Here we delve into the escalating human-elephant conflict and unveil an unexpected ally in nature. How bees are transforming into a sustainable solution, creating harmony between communities and majestic pachyderms. This is Edible Forest. Join us to witness the power of coexistence and explore the buzzing synergy that promises a brighter future for both man and elephant. This is Pakkam, a village near Kuruva Island in Wayanadu, Kerala. One of the most biodiverse places in India, which lies on the banks of the tributaries of Kabini River and is home to rare species of birds, animals, orchids, herbal plants, etc. Forests in India are diverse ecosystems that cover a significant portion of the country's land area, hosting a rich variety of flora and fauna. These forests play a crucial role in supporting biodiversity, regulating climate, and providing essential resources for local communities. Among the diverse inhabitants of India's forests, elephants stand out as iconic and majestic beings. Elephants are keystone species, exerting a significant impact on ecosystems due to their role as ecosystem engineers. As large herbivores, they shape landscapes by influencing plant communities, dispersing seeds, and creating clearings. These clearings allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, fostering the growth of diverse plant species and supporting ecosystem health. Elephants' activities contribute to biodiversity and ecosystem balance, influencing the distribution and abundance of various species. Additionally, they serve as flagship species, drawing attention to conservation efforts and contributing to ecotourism, providing economic incentives for wildlife conservation. In the varied landscapes of India, where dense forests intertwine with human settlements, the focal point of concern revolves around the intensifying conflicts between humans and elephants. These conflicts not only inflict substantial damage upon the human communities residing nearby, but also present formidable challenges to the very survival of these majestic creatures. With the expansion of urban areas, the stretching of agricultural lands, and the carving of roads through the wilderness, elephants find their age-old migratory paths disrupted and their habitats diminishing. The exacerbation of their plight is exacerbated by climate change, as shifting weather patterns disrupt water and vegetation availability, further upsetting the fragile equilibrium that sustains elephant ecosystems. Moreover, extreme events, such as droughts or floods, exacerbate habitat degradation, pushing these iconic creatures perilously close to the edge of survival. This habitat loss and scarcity of food and water set the stage for dramatic encounters between humans and elephants. As these giants of the forest venture closer to villages and farmlands in search of sustenance, a perilous dance ensues. Crop raiding becomes a desperate bid for survival, yet it inflicts economic losses on local communities, widening the gap between humans and these magnificent creatures. Human-elephant conflicts can result in retaliatory killings, poaching, or accidental deaths of elephants, posing a significant threat to their populations and disrupting their natural behaviors and migration patterns. This vicious cycle of conflict escalates tensions, endangering both humans and elephants. Various methods have been employed in the ongoing efforts to manage human-elephant conflicts, each with distinct advantages and drawbacks. Electric fencing, trench construction, and traditional strategies such as the use of firecrackers and gunshots have been utilized, but each comes with its own set of challenges and environmental implications. At the heart of this conflict are farmers, whose fields become battlegrounds as their livelihoods intertwine with the fate of these giants. The economic hardships and ecological imbalances that emerge when worlds collide manifest in severe impacts, including loss of human lives, injuries, and psychological trauma. Elephants may also damage property, including homes and infrastructure, during their movement through human-dominated areas. the constant threat of elephant encounters leads to heightened stress and anxiety among communities living in conflict-prone areas. We can take the example of the village Pakkam, a small village in Wayanadu, Kerala. Surrounded by a biodiverse riparian forest, the village heavily relies on agriculture, particularly rice cultivation, and faces frequent human-elephant conflicts. Elephants disrupt all stages of rice cultivation, posing a constant threat from seedling emergence to the harvesting stage. The farmers find themselves compelled to protect their crops, particularly rice, which constitutes their primary source of income. They remain vigilant in the fields throughout the night, warding off elephants to prevent damage to their livelihoods. These incidents have a significant impact on their personal lives, especially as they don't get time with their families. The young generation has abandoned agriculture and is migrating to other places to find livelihood.
നമ്മളെ കാരണവരൊക്കെ ഉള്ളപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ കൃഷി എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവർ കാവലൊന്നും അങ്ങനെ ഇല്ല. വീട്ടിൽ കിടന്നുറങ്ങിയാൽ മതി. അന്ന് ഈ ആനയും പന്നിയും അങ്ങനെ ശല്യം ഇല്ല ഇവിടെ. ഇതൊക്കെ സ്ഥിതി വെച്ചാൽ ഇവിടുത്തെ ആന ഇത്തവണ കണ്ടമാനം ഉപദ്രവം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അവർ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും വിളയിലിറങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കയറിപ്പോവില്ല. എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ കയറില്ല അവർ. നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് പടക്കം പൊട്ടിച്ചും തീക്കൊള്ളി എറിഞ്ഞും ഒക്കെയാണ് അവരെ കയറ്റിവിടുന്നത്. അപ്പോഴത്തേനും ആന തിന്നാൻ പറ്റുന്നതൊക്കെ പകുതിയോളം തിന്നു പോകും. ഇനി ആന ഇവിടെ ഇറങ്ങി വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിടിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ നമുക്കൊന്നും കിട്ടില്ല. ഇതെല്ലാം ഇപ്പോൾ പഴുപ്പോടി കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇനി ഇതിനകത്ത് തിന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നെല്ല് മുഴുവൻ നമുക്ക് നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു പോകും. അതിനാണ് ഉറക്കമൊഴിച്ച് തന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്ന് നേരം വെളുപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. അതിനെ ഇറക്കാണ്ടിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള പണിയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ കുടുംബത്തിന് വെച്ചാൽ എനിക്ക് ഒരു 2 മക്കളാണ് ഉള്ളത്. 2 മക്കളും പഠിക്കാൻ പോയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ പെണ്ണുങ്ങളും അമ്മയും മാത്രമാണ് വീട്ടിലുള്ളത്. വീട്ടിൽ ഇവർ 2 പേരും മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. വീട്ടിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വിളിച്ചാൽ തന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് പെട്ടെന്ന് പോകാനും പറ്റില്ല. ഈ മാടത്തിൻ്റെ ചുറ്റും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു മാടത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ട് ഓടിപ്പോകാൻ പറ്റില്ല. എന്നുവെച്ചാൽ ഈ ജീവി എവിടെയാണ് വന്ന് നിൽക്കുന്നതെന്നൊന്നും ഒരു കാരണവശാലും നമുക്കറിയില്ല. അതെന്നുവെച്ചാൽ ചുറ്റും നമ്മൾ പിന്നെ അടിച്ചു നോക്കി കൃത്യമായിട്ട് അത് എവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ ഇല്ലയെന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ പറ്റൂ. ആ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനാണ് ഇപ്പം ഈ ജീവിതം മുഴുവൻ നടക്കുന്നത്.
In the face of these challenges, a revolutionary solution comes to light: beehive fencing. Inspired by Dr. Lucy King's pioneering work in Kenya, this innovative method capitalizes on elephants' instinctive aversion to bees to deter them from entering designated areas. Beehive is suspended along wires at intervals, release aggressive bees when disturbed, compelling elephants to withdraw. Beehive fencing presents a non-lethal and environmentally friendly option, playing a pivotal role in conflict resolution while simultaneously promoting biodiversity and sustainable agriculture. P.T. John, an experienced farmer and well-known social worker in Pakkam, had abandoned paddy farming for years due to persistent elephant raids on his farm. Despite multiple attempts with various prevention methods, success had eluded him. In response, we implemented a beehive fencing system to protect his farm as our pilot project. Since its implementation, no elephant raids have been reported on P.T. John's farm.
ആന വന്നിറങ്ങുന്ന പ്രദേശം കണക്കാക്കി തേനീച്ചപ്പെട്ടികൾ നമ്മൾ ഒറ്റ സ്ട്രെച്ചിൽ ബൗണ്ടറിയിൽ കെട്ടിത്തൂക്കിയിട്ടു. തേനീച്ച വേലി ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം ഇറങ്ങി വരുന്ന ആന നമ്മുടെ വേലിയുടെ പരിസരത്തെത്തിയാൽ അവിടെ നിന്ന് കറങ്ങും, തിരിച്ചു പോകും. ഈ ഒരു പരീക്ഷണത്തിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് ബോധ്യപ്പെട്ടൊരു കാര്യം, സുസ്ഥിരമായ സസ്റ്റൈനബിളായ ഒരു സംരക്ഷണമാണ് കൃഷിക്ക് ഈ കാര്യത്തിൽ ഇതുകൊണ്ടുണ്ടാകുന്നത്. നല്ല മാതൃകകൾ പരമാവധി വ്യാപിപ്പിക്കാൻ ഇതൊക്കെ ക്യാമ്പസുകളിൽ, കോളേജുകളിൽ, സ്കൂളുകളിൽ ഒക്കെ ഇത് ബോധ്യപ്പെടുത്തി കൊടുക്കാൻ സാധിക്കണം. ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ സാധ്യമാണ്. ഒരു തേനീച്ചയെ കൊണ്ട് തടയാവുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ വലിയ ഭീകരനായ ഒരു കാട്ടാനയെ എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് ബോധ്യപ്പെടുത്തി കൊടുക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുന്ന ഒന്നാണ്.
We have access to the chart depicting the data of elephant raids in and around the farm. This success stands out, especially considering that there have been multiple elephant visits and raids reported in the village and its vicinity during the same period. The transformative impact of beehive fencing on P.T. John's farm presents a promising solution to the pervasive issue of human-elephant conflicts in the region. Conflict prevention offers significant ecological and economic advantages. Its eco-friendly approach avoids harm to ecosystems, providing a sustainable alternative to wildlife management. By safeguarding against elephant raids, it indirectly preserves biodiversity, crucial for the resilience of natural habitats. Bees involved in the process enhance local flora through pollination, contributing to ecosystem vibrancy. Furthermore, the economic benefit to farmers is noteworthy as we purchase honey at a generous price, creating a sustainable income stream. Beehive fencing not only resolves conflicts but also fosters a balanced coexistence between human activities, wildlife, and agriculture, promising a harmonious future. With our success in Pakkam and our vision for a harmonious existence, conservation, and lasting change, we are steadfast in our plans to expand the Beehive Fencing project to more locations. Our commitment extends beyond conflict resolution, aiming to create a ripple effect of positive impact on both ecosystems and communities. By integrating beehive fencing in diverse landscapes, we aspire to foster a model of coexistence that promotes biodiversity conservation while providing sustainable economic opportunities for farmers through honey production.
Edible Forest Project has been an immense learning curve. At Pakkam, we had a goal, we had an intervention to minimize man-animal conflict in a sustainable way. The man-animal conflict that we were confronting was primarily with elephants. Every instant of a man-animal conflict is directly affecting the livelihood of the people. We were thrown up with challenges. We used our design thinking, we used our system design approach to overcome these problems, these challenges. I believe that this project is going to make impact and change the livelihood of the people. Moreover, create a harmonious blend between man and animal. Beehive fencing has been adapted to Pakkam village as per the requirements of solution farming. It's just not Pakkam, it's just not Kerala. This has been a problem in different parts of the country as well as across the world. We look forward this as a movement in which different stakeholders, be it the community, the government, NGOs, corporates, and whoever it is, to participate in this harmonious, sustainable solution for human-elephant conflict. We look forward for this movement. We look forward for solution formulation in different parts of the country, different parts of the globe where human-elephant conflict exists.
This expansion aligns with our broader mission to contribute to lasting change in the way we navigate human-wildlife interactions, ensuring that our initiatives not only resolve conflicts, but also leave a positive, enduring mark on the delicate balance between humans and the natural world. Concluding this immersive exploration prompts the crucial question: how can each of us contribute to this shared narrative? Whether in communities on the front lines or individuals spanning the globe, the call to action resonates. Be the change, be the voice, and be the guardians of our planet. As the sun sets over Pakkam, let this moment mark not just the conclusion of a documentary, but the inception of a new chapter in the saga of coexistence. Together, let's pave a path where human progress harmonizes with the preservation of nature, ensuring that the symphony of Pakkam endures for generations to come.